Hello, my wonderful GlamGuide family. First of all, I want to wish you and your loved ones a very happy new year. May this year bring you endless happiness, glowing health, and countless beautiful moments. As we step into this bright new year, I want to take a moment to thank you from the bottom of my heart. Your constant support, encouragement, and love have been the biggest motivation for me to create content that empowers and inspires. Truly, you're the reason this channel exists. Yes, I know there was a little gap in my uploads. Life happens. But I'm so excited to tell you that from now on, I'll be back with consistent, fresh, and super useful content just for you. Whether it's skincare, hair care, beauty tips, or self-care guides, I promise to make it worth your time. This year, let's grow this beautiful family even more. If you enjoy my content, please show your support by hitting that like button, subscribing, and don't forget to share it with your friends. Your love means the world to me, and it helps me create even better videos for you. Also, drop a comment with your skincare or beauty questions. I'd love to hear from you and help you out. Here's to a radiant, glowing 2025 for all of us. Let's keep spreading positivity and self-care vibes together. Once again, Happy New Year, my dear GlamGuide family. See you in the next video. Until then, stay beautiful and confident. Bye.